Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be resetting the service light on this Citroen C4. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So this is a 2019 C4 Space Tourer. And to reset the service light, put the key into its little slot here. And up here you can see the little button. So what we're going to do is we're going to press and hold that, and then we're going to turn the ignition on. And when that happens, this little counter will count down. So keep holding that button until you reach 0, and reinitialization is done. Release your finger, and then you can start the vehicle and you have no more service light. That's just a quick video on how to reset your service light on a Citroen C4. Many Citroens are the same. So if you like it, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.